मुशीर कौमी सलामती मुईद यूसुफ ने कहा है कि दुनिया को जल्द भारत के हवाले से आंखें खोलना होंगी। भारत को हर पड़ोसी मुल्क के साथ जो रवैया है उससे वाज़ेह है कि हकीकी इलाकाई खतरा बन चुका है।
For 70 years we've talked about our location as being our most important strategic dividend. Every time we talk about it, crossroads of South Asia, Central Asia. But if you think about it, in the past, the location has actually brought us global wars, proxy staging ground. Afghanistan is a very good example for the past 40 years. You've seen Pakistan's counter-terrorism performance, alhamdulillah, since 2007 and where we are today. And then regionally, Afghanistan is probably the best example. Even India, frankly, there is enough in the news to know that there was a conversation to see whether there's any way forward. I'm disappointed to inform you that it's very unfortunate the direction today's India is going and what is happening there. And the sooner the world opens their eyes to the fact that it has now become truly a regional threat in the way that India is behaving and has a conflict with every single neighbor.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।